Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have 3, 5, 7, even 10 accounts running all at the same time. We only using one because you guys are just now getting into it, beginners. You just starting, you just want to see what's going on. But this is absolutely the laziest way to make money online, period, guys. Takes seconds. Once you get used to it, takes seconds a day to do, not even a full minute. All right, so anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting this particular product, the $25 all-in-one digital business. And honestly, it's because of this affiliate program, which is 80% recurring commissions or 80% commissions, period. Like, it's just so good. That 80% recurring commissions is literally unheard of. The highest before this is like 25 to 40%. Somewhere between there. I've seen some 40% ones. I've seen some, and they usually go back down. Or if it's 50%, it'll go down to 25% the next month, so to speak. So if usually what happens is that something costs, say, $100. Somebody buys something $100, you'll get 50 of them dollars, and then the next month you'll get 25. That's the best on her before this product here. All right, guys. So anyway, besides all that, it's just a good product. So let's just look at let's go and refresh the page and show you guys what's going on here and show my real results, so you understand that these are real results. Make sure if somebody shows you results that they refresh the page first, guys. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, looks like we did. Hold up, that's probably a rebuild, guys. I think it's a rebuild. And now this right here, I don't know. Yesterday I got this sale yesterday, so this one right here don't count. So if you notice, guys, if this is a rebuild, you can tell by this number here. It'll go up if it's a sale, guys. It goes up when it's a sale. So yeah, if it's a rebuild, so this is a rebuild, but it's pretty much like another sale, guys. And if you notice, I got in a sale every single day. Every single day since the 25th, I've gotten sales. That's incredible, right? So it's building up crazy. And now if most of these are rebuilds. These are all rebuilds. I think only Thursday is a sale. That's how crazy this is working out, guys. So try this out. It's working for me. So anyway, guys, let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do, if you're interested in following along, you want to go down into the description. All right, guys, of this video. It's gonna say something like step 1, $25 business. And you want to click on that. Once you click on that, it should take you to a page that looks something like this. Now what this page does is explain $25 business, how to do it, and all that good stuff, and what's cool about it. 20 to 100% monthly commissions, which I'm showing you guys that I'm making now. And understand something, I'm doing in the laziest way possible. Like, I'm not doing much at all, guys. This is so easy. So yeah, I'm doing all of that, and that's all this page is gonna talk about. You can read it if you want to, and anyway. So you decide you want to try this out, right? You click on yes, I want in. That's gonna take you to a page that looks something like this. It's gonna play a video that's about 2 minutes explaining exactly what you're buying here, so you don't get bamboozled, so to speak. And so you don't get bamboozled, and you fully understand what you're purchasing. You know what I mean? So that's the time. That's what this video is going to explain. And once this video finishes, guys, you're going to get to a page that looks something like this. And once you get to this page here, you put in your information, all that good stuff, and you purchase the $25 business if you're interested in it. And one thing I want to speak on real quick, this right here, this is the $100 commission thing. It's HBA Premium. It's a whole lot of training that's constantly updated. Also has a content machine that makes content for you, for like posts or whatever. And yeah, it's all of that. It's $125 a month. and but you get it for free for 2 weeks if you click on my link, guys. You get it for free 2 weeks. I recommend you click this here. I recommend you do that for the case of, just in case you get a sale, because how this works is that you will receive you only receive the commission if you have the product, so to speak. So for example, if you were to come in here and not have this product, decide not to get this product, right, and have just got $25 business, right, and then you get somebody in the system, right, and they buy the $25 business, but they also get this right here. Once they start paying that $125, you will not get that $100 commission, guys. Once they start paying that $125 a month, you will not get that $100 commission, guys. So you want to have this, so you'll be able to make all the money that you possibly can. There's one more thing I want to show you guys. There's another thing I want to talk to you about, is financial literacy. Now it should explain that you have 3 days to buy the financial literacy. It's another product for $500. You can buy that for $500, or you can wait later on and purchase it for $1,000. It's intended price, but you got 3 days to decide if you want to try it for $500. So, and this is offered to everyone under this link. Now if you have the product, you can get sales. Like, say for example, if somebody else buys it for $500, you'll get $400. If somebody else buys it for $1,000 much later on, you'll get $800. So yeah, that's also there, and I want to make sure you guys understand that. And okay, so those are all the products that you can get. All right, so it's some other ones too, but them the main ones. Anyway, guys, once you click the complete order, right, you'll eventually get to a page that looks something like this right here. All the information there. They go financial literacy, what I was just talking about. But anyway, what you want to do is click on affiliate zone here. You want to click on affiliate zone. Let me log in real quick. My bad. Click on affiliate zone. Take you to this page here. What you want to do is sign up for the affiliate program, and you just read. It's a very simple process. Put in your information, and then you log in SamCart, which should take you to this page here. Now once you're on this page, all you have to do is scroll down and get your link here, the all-in-one $25 business. That's what we did all that for, to get your link. Now once you got your link, the next step is step 2 in my video description. It says the My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, guys, so once you click on that link, the step 2, My Lead Gen Secrets, it'll take you to a page that looks something like this. Now you can watch the video. It'll explain what My Lead Gen Secrets is, but basically you get 100 leads every single day. Now they're cold leads, but they're all interested in making money online. That's one thing. So, which is, and you get sales off of them as long as you keep emailing them. You need to email them every single day. So anyway, guys, you log into this or sign into this, make an account. Very simple process. You've made an account before, you made an account here. You did it once anywhere, you haven't done it here before too. So it's a very simple process. And then you got your leads you can look into. You can get master email swipes. You can purchase those if you want to. I personally would say don't buy them at all, because I give you emails anyway. Even if I do, the reason why I say that, even if you do purchase them, you decide to purchase them, I will get a commission from that. But I'm telling you not to purchase them, because I give you emails. I give you a ton of emails, guys. And there's a ton of ways you can use the Content Machine and HBA Premium to get emails as well. So it's a ton of ways to get emails. You don't need it. All right. So anyway, click on mailing system here, and you want to click on all your leads here. Boom, boom. And you just load. I'm just gonna load up my next email here. What was it? Let's fill your monthly income. So this is the next email. So we just gonna click. All right, guys. So you just copy that right there. You can pause it and copy the information there. Very, very easy process here. So this is the email all together. This is all that it is. So just pause it, copy it real quick. You're gonna put your link. You're gonna put your link right here, guys. Very simple. You just scroll over that and you click this button here, link, and put a link right there. So it's super simple. As you can see, I did not put a sincerely or my. It doesn't really matter. I've gotten sales on emails that I didn't even have like a you know, sincerely or anything like that on connected to it. So yeah, it's very simple. And what you want to do is hit perfect timing. They'll send an email around time people check emails. And you want to hit the preview here and make sure your link work by clicking on this right here. My link works. All right, so you make sure your link works and then you send it, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple process, very easy. And once you get like a ton of emails in it like I do, as you can see, it takes very little amount of time to do it. It takes you about 30 seconds a day to do once you get a ton of emails in there. The only reason this video is 10 minutes long is because I'm explaining everything. But once you got all your emails in the system, I say about 15 to 30 emails. I say about 20 in general, and just kind of rotating them. It's only takes about a minute a day to do. All right, guys. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Links in the description below, like I stated before. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to hit that notification bell as well. Bye.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.